Fresh off meeting React, why don't we take a look at the course outline and the structure? First and foremost, I want to let you know that course will be hands-on and project-based. And I'm fully aware that at this point you might be a bit skeptical. After all, second video in a row and we're still staring at the slides. So let me elaborate on that. In the beginning of the course, I will use slides to get general commands and the ideas across. But once we set up the Create React app and start coding, we will not gaze at the slides again. Before we start typing away our React apps, in the following videos, I would like to cover course requirements, development environment setup, basic terminal commands, as well as what is Create React app and its folder structure. Once we'll get basics out of the way, I promise you will be off to the races with no slideshows inside. We will build components, understand what is state, how to use props, and much, much more. What's more cool, after learning specific topic on React, we will build a project, a React application, where we'll see that particular topic in action. By the way, before I let you go, all the technologies and services we will use throughout the course are completely free and will not ask for your credit card to sign up. So feel free to use them. What do you say? Ready to get started with the React.js?